Hello everyone. Welcome to the eCYBERLESson classroom. My name is Matt Hartman and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. Today, we'll be working on understanding and selecting a mission challenge. Now, if you already know what problem your team is going to investigate, then this lesson may not be very helpful to you. But if you don't, then let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is take Worksheet 1 and create a concept map with as many different problems that affect your community as you can think of. When you're creating your concept map, use one color for local problems and one color for global problems. Now, if you aren't familiar with concept maps, you can go to the link on your screen and see how to create them. So get to work on your concept map. And while you're working, pause the video and start it again when you're done. Okay, your concept map should be complete. Now, as a team, select 10 problems from your concept map to put into Worksheet 2. Fill in each of the problems, and then fill out the second and third column for each problem. Then, everyone should conduct their research about the problem they are assigned. When you complete the research about your problem, or problems, fill in columns 4 and 5. Pause the video again, and start it when the team has completed Worksheet 2. Now, set aside Worksheet 2 and get Worksheet 3. Complete the first box in the upper left corner. Now, when you've finished filling in that box, access the article Water Crisis in the Nepal Himalayas. Read that article and then complete the other 3 boxes on Worksheet 3. Pause the video and start it again when Worksheet 3 is complete. Now that Worksheet 3 is done, let's go to our Army scientist, who will talk to you a little bit more about this problem.
Now that you have finished Worksheet 3, I'd like you to think about how the water problems in Nepal relate to problems in your community. Does your community have any problems with water? Could the problems that people are facing in Nepal ever be problems that your community would face? What would have to happen to cause those kinds of problems to happen to your community? Are there ways you could stop those things from happening? Let's go back to Worksheet 2 that you completed previously. If you haven't finished all of the columns, be sure to do so before you go on. If all the columns are complete, then your group should choose 3 of these 10 problems that you would be interested in knowing more about and potentially use for your eCYBERLESSON project. Use the internet and other resources at your disposal to research those problems. Fill in sheet 4 with the 3 problems and what has already been done to fix the problem. Once you have completed that research, start the video again. I'm a scientist who works for the Combat Feeding Directorate of the U.S. Army. This means that I develop the food for the soldiers in the field. This requires a lot of science because we do not have the refrigerators to keep things cold or ovens to heat things up in the field. On top of that, the food must be light enough so that the soldier can carry 1 to 3 days' worth of food. Remember, food is only one supply that the soldier carries, so it must be as light as possible. And did I mention that all of the food must last for 3 years? My mission is to develop new or better food products for soldiers by conducting scientific research that will improve the quality of food and keep it safe for the soldier while he or she is in the field. Now back to your eCYBERLESSON teacher.
If there's not one clear problem to investigate, sit down and discuss the problems as a group and come to a decision about which one is best to investigate. Then, get to work on your in-depth research and forming your hypothesis. Good luck. Remember, if you have any questions or problems, talk to your team advisor. And if there are still questions, you can contact Cyber Guides on the forums at eCYBERLESSON.com. Or call Mission Control between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday at 1-866-GO-CYBER.